Good day, everyone. Today we will explain lesson number 5.1, first lesson in quarter 3, okay, which talking about estimate solutions by inspection. In this lesson, we will study or we want to learn what is the meaning of a solution system of equation and how to solve it by graphing or by inspection from the graph. We'll inspect it from the graph, okay? So, as a conclusion to this lesson, I need to tell you what we should study today. What we should study today is 3 categories. I'll give you system of equation. The meaning of system of equation here, before I have to mention too what is the linear equation is. I will remember with each others. Y equal m x plus b, where m is slope, b intercepted part of y intercept. Okay, the cutted part from y-axis, it's called intercepted part. Okay, as you see here, as I mentioned before, if I have the coordinate and the line is like that, this point, if I measure this area is called the y-intercept. Okay, this length, sorry, is called the y-intercept. Okay, so the cutted part from y-axis. Okay, this is called, that one is called a linear equation. So if I have more than one linear equation, it's called system of linear equation. So if I have line 1, this is line 1, and line 2, line 1, its equation, linear equation equal 2x, maybe 2x plus 1, and line 2, the green one, okay, this is L2, y, maybe y equal negative because it cut y-axis in, sorry, it's, we may say it, not negative, 5x, okay, minus 3 because it cut the y-axis in the negative part, so I can write it. These 2 equations is called system of linear equation. What we want to study today is to compare between these 2 equations and find what if this system of linear equation has one solution or 2 solutions or one solution or no solution or infinite number of solutions. Okay, so what we will study today is what is, if I give you a system of linear equation like this one, like that one, okay, I have to decide if they have one solution or no solution or infinite number of solutions. Okay, that we will study today. So, as a conclusion of the lesson, if I have a system of linear equation, I'll give you 3 examples. First example will give you no solution, one solution, then no solution, then infinite number of solutions. Okay, this is what we will study today. Okay, let's start our example. The first example give me in the left hand side the 2 yellow, the 2 blue line. Okay, it's he give me the 2 line and he give me the equation of each one. First one is y equal x plus 4. Second one, y equal negative x plus 4. Okay, what I am going to do now is to find what? The slope of each one. As you see, this is the system of linear equation. Slope of the first one equal what? Yes, I search for the number beside x. It's 1. Yes. And slope for the second equation equal what? I search for the number beside x. It's negative. Negative means -1. Okay? Okay. What about the y-intercept part? Y-intercept for the first one is +4, and y-intercept for the second one is +6. So I have two different slope and two different y-intercept. If you have two different slope, two different y-intercept, so the kind or the number of solution is one solution. Number of solution of these two linear equation is one solution. So if I found different slope, different y-intercept, I have one solution. This is the first rule, okay? Okay, as you see here in the graph, we find the two line intersect at one point. This point is the solution. This is the solution. We can find here x equal 1 and y here equal 5. So the solution is 1, 5. This is x equal here 1 and y equal 5. I can get this, the answer from the graph. Okay? Okay, what about the second one? Second one, give me another system of linear equation. Okay. First one, y equal x plus 3, and second one, y equal x plus 1. Okay? So, if we decide to know the slope of the first one, slope of the first equation, linear equation, is 1, yes? And slope of the second one, 1, 2, okay? So similar slope, okay, but different y-intercept, yes? So if I have similar slope and different y-intercept, same slope or and different y-intercept. So I have no solution. In this case, I have what? No solution. Okay, Oleg? Okay. The third one is the third type of solution, which, as you see here, it's one line. Actually, it's two lines, not one green line. Why? But two coincident. We call it coincident. Okay? Coincident means they are over each other. Line 1 and line 2 here, over each other. We can consider line 2 is the blue one. So, how to know it? Actually, I can know it. Let's solve first the equation. As you see, the linear equation here of each one. First one, x plus y equal -2. Second one, 3x plus 3y equal -6. Actually, I have to put this equation in the form of y equals something multiply x plus something or minus something. How? First one, to write it as y equal, I have to send x to the other side by negative. So y equal -2 minus x. And instead of this, I want to write it as -x minus 2. It's the same. But as we regularly write it, we write the x first, then the intercepted part of y. So the slope here is -1, as you see, and the intercepted part is 2. Okay. What about the next solution? The next equation. Next one, I need y alone, so I will send 3 to the negative 3x to the other side by negative. Yes. So 3y equal -3x minus 6. Yes? Yes. Okay, I need to divide by 3, both sides. Divide 3, divide 3, divide 3. So I have now at the end, y equal -3 divided 3, -1. -1x should be -x directly. Okay? And -6 minus 3, -3. -2, sorry. Okay? As you see here, it is the same. this equation is the same as this one. Yes? Yes, they are equal. Similar sign, similar slope, -1, -1. Similar intercepted part of y, -2, -2. So they both similar slope, similar intercepted part of y. So I have infinite, in this case, I have infinitely number of solution or infinitely many solution. Okay? So this is the three kind of slope. So in the same page, we will solve the right one. This system of equation, as you see here, x equal x, y equal x plus 1, and y, the second equation is y equal to x plus 2. As you see, I have different slope, 1 and 2, and different y-intercept, 1 and 2. So they both different. So I have how many solution? 1, yes. Okay. So the system of equation has one solution. The equations have different slopes. So the line intersected at 1 point. Yes, as we said, if you have one solution, so the two lines intersected at 1 point. Okay? Okay. Moving to the next page. As you see here, Harrison and Peyer, each pi x cosmetic box, each pi x. So both by x box, okay? Each box, as you see here, is cost is 5. So each one by x comic, and the one cost is 5, so it's 5x. X is the number of box. And 5 is price. I know the price, but I don't know how many boxes they sell. Okay? Okay. They buy, sorry. Harrison also buys an action figure for 15. Harrison take another 15. So I can write the last answer of Harrison as this equation. Y equal 5 comic box, so 5x. Plus another 15, so it's y equal, the result equal y equal 5x plus 15. And then Peyer buys different action figure for 12. But Peyer action another one for 12. The first one add 15, the second one add 12. Okay. So could they each spend the same amount y, the same amount y, we call it y the result, and buy the same number of comic books, yes, really, they will buy the same number of comic books, but at the end, the result is not the same. So it's not the same. Can you find that they have same result? Actually, no. No result. Because the first one, 5 comic books, second one, 5 comic books. It's okay. First one, add 15, second one add 12. So how they become equal? They will never equal each other. So I have no solution here. I consider have no solution. This is by mental. But by equation, as we said before, I have similar, same slope, and different b. In this case, in which case we are? Case 1 or 2 or 3? Case 1, one solution. Case 2, no solution. Case 3, infinitely number of solution. Okay? So I am in case 2, no solution. Because I have similar slope and different b. Okay, another example. Example here also, I have two system of equation. First one, as you see here, y, after finishing conclusion of this example, I have y equal negative 3x plus 6, and the other y negative 3x plus 6, the same slope, negative 3, same intercepted part, positive 6. So they are same means the third case. Third case means infinitely number of solutions. So this equation has infinitely number of solutions. Okay? Okay, let's decide the right one here, the last one. How many solutions does each system of equation have, and explain it. Okay? First one. First one, as you see here, y equal negative 3x plus 5. Second one equal negative 3x minus 5. Okay. Similar slope, yes or no? Yes, similar slope. Negative 3, negative 3. But different y. Different y intercept. The first one is positive 5. Second one, negative 5. So same slope. Okay, same slope. And different what? Yes, b. B here is the y-intercept. Okay? Okay? Okay. So different, same slope and different y-intercept. Which case we are? Yes, it's case 2. Case 2 means no solution. So first one, I has no solution. Okay? Second picture. The second one, I need to work in this one. First equation is in the form, the general form of linear equation. Y equals 3x plus 4. That's it. So the slope here equal 3 slope, and the y-intercept equal 4. Okay? What about the second one? I can't find the slope. It's not easy to find the slope by this way. Don't say, take care. Don't say that the number beside x is slope. It's wrong. It's wrong at all. I must put it in the form of this form first. Don't take negative 15 as a slope. Take care about it. I mentioned it many times. Okay? So I will take this equation and then write it in the form of y equal. So I need to get out negative 15 to this side and negative 20 to this side. In this case, we have 5y in the left hand side equal. After I send the negative 15 to the next side, I will send it by positive sign. So it's 0 plus, so I don't have to write 0, because 0 plus anything, it will be the same. So we don't have to write 0. Okay, so send negative 15x to the other side by positive 15x. Then send the negative 20 to the next side by positive 20. Okay, second, we divided by 5 both sides. Okay, so I have here at the end y equal 15 divided 5 is 3x, 20 divided 5 is 4. So this is the last form of the linear equation. Let's compare it with the first one. Okay? The slope in the first one is 3. The slope in the second one is 3. So same slope. Okay? Okay. Second one. The y-intercept part is 4 in the first one, and in the second one is 4 too. So we have same b. same slope, same V, infinitely number. Case 3. Many solution. Okay? Hope you enjoyed the lesson. And see you next lesson, inshallah. Bye.